The first skill we'll look at is project scheduling. Project scheduling is all about achieving the project time-based objectives. How do we ensure the works get completed on time? The primary tool we use to do this is the project schedule. The project schedule is a list of the sequenced activities that need to take place to complete the project scope. Project scheduling allows for effective coordination, resource allocation, and project tracking throughout the project lifecycle. In the work-winning phase, we'll develop the tender schedule and use this to understand the contract dates and make sure we know what we are signing up to. If successful with our bid, the tender schedule will become the contract schedule. During the design and pre-construction phase, we will develop a more detailed target schedule. We'll also use both a design schedule and procurement schedule to manage these activities. In the construction phase, we'll develop detailed short-range programs like a 3-week look-ahead to make sure works get done and are coordinated properly. We will also carefully monitor and track progress to make sure we are following the plan. And in the closeout phase, we'll develop and submit the as-built program to the client. To master project scheduling and ensure our project finishes on time, we need to be able to effectively create a project schedule. This means taking a project scope and concept and turning it into a list of sequenced activities. We then need to be able to implement the schedule and put the plan into action. Monitor and control progress and deal with changes, and use and apply different types of schedules like short-range programs, design schedules, and procurement schedules. Project scheduling is a critically important part of delivering the perfect construction project. Construction project scheduling is a fundamental skill that ensures our projects stay on track and are completed successfully. By mastering this skill and utilizing the right tools and techniques, you will increase your chances of the project finishing on time. Make sure you check out our course on construction project scheduling if you're keen to learn more.